Can we see who shared your post on Facebook? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can check who shared our posts on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is of course open up your Facebook. Make sure that the app that you're using is up to date to the latest version. After you've done that, you will then be on your page. So if you head over to our profile first, let's head over to any profile, and on our profile you can see there are different posts, and on posts you will see shares as well. So under share you will see how many shares that have happened but not who has shared them. So if you scroll down more, you can see all the posts and all the shares. So what we'll do here is we'll try to go to insights of our post. To do that, let me just select our random post. Okay, so let's select this one. If I tap on the three dots, and there are not many options that you can see that will show you your insights or stuff like that. If you simply tap on the post, you can see the share button. You can tap on it, but you cannot see how many or who has done that. So what this means is that you cannot see who has shared a post on Facebook, but you can know how many people have shared them. And you'll get the number right there, right above the share button, how many people have shared it, but not who has shared them. And yeah, that is due to the privacy reasons of Facebook. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. I hope this video answered your question. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.